GoMix C2TES1 Flexible Tile Adhesive, Standard Application Tutorial, Tools Preparation. Prepare the necessary tools before construction to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Substrate cleaning. First, check the wall for any hollow spots or loose areas. For uneven surfaces, sand them down or repair them with mortar in advance. Ensure the entire working surface is solid and level. Next, thoroughly clean the substrate. It must be free of dust, resin, oil, and grease. Pre-wet dry substrates, ensuring there is no standing water before application. Step 2. Applying multi-purpose primer and tile bed primer. GoMix S11 two-component waterproofing primer. When mixing, always pour the liquid emulsion first, and then add the powder. Mix thoroughly until it is completely lump-free before use. Apply evenly from top to bottom when brushing, ensuring 100% coverage of the entire working surface. No missing spots. The primer must dry completely for 24 hours. Tiling is prohibited before it is completely dry. Next, prepare the tiles. Clean the tiles thoroughly first. Perform a water test on low water absorption tiles first. For oily tiles, the release agent must be cleaned off before use. Large tiles and heavy tiles must be coated with the two-component primer. Ensure 100% coverage. The tile bed primer must dry completely to form a film before tiling. Step 3. Mixing the adhesive. Next, we will mix the GoMix C2TES1 Flexible Tile Adhesive. The mixing order is very important. Always pour the water first, then add the powder. Mix according to the powder-to-water ratio of 1:4. Then, mix thoroughly using an electric mixer. Mix until it becomes a lump-free, uniform paste. Step 4. Tiling application. According to the flatness of the wall and the specification of the tiles, choose a suitable notched trowel. Adopt the standard manual double buttering method, applying adhesive to both the substrate and the tile bag. Apply the adhesive paste evenly onto both the working surface and the back of the tile. This maximizes bonding strength and prevents hollows. Place the tile, twist and press, and tap it level. Fix the tile leveling system. Ensure flatness, then use a tile vibrator to vibrate it level. Ensure the tiles are firmly bonded and level. Step 5. Tile grouting. After tiling, wait for the adhesive to dry completely before starting the grouting process. First, clean out all residual debris from the tile joints. Next, prepare the GoMix CG to color tile grout. For narrow joints, use a powder-to-water ratio of 0.31 to 0.33. For wide joints, use a powder-to-water ratio of 0.22 to 0.4. Mix into a uniform, lump-free paste. When grouting, press the grout into the joints along the diagonal direction. Ensure it is packed tightly, then scrape off the excess grout. Once the grout has set slightly, wipe the tile surface clean with a damp sponge. Result display. The above is the complete installation process for GoMix C2TES1 Flexible Tile Adhesive. GoMix's full range of tile adhesives and supporting products can meet construction needs in various scenarios, helping you create a firm and level tiling finish.